So it looks like those who are on the spiritual path seem to be, in terms of life situations, they're a little more tortured than others. Whatever is hardware will deplete, whatever is software, you can update. The whole karmic process is about this, that if you wish, spiritual process is just about updating your karma so that you take newer and newer karma which is in the stock. Normal people, see, I'm calling them normal because they're majority, I also want to be safe. I'm saying idiotic people, that's what I mean by normal. Idiots in the world will always see how to have limited karma. One who is on the spiritual path, who is on fire, wants to download the whole warehouse. But he knows if he downloads the whole warehouse, the hardware itself may break, it's too much. So, keeps upgrading, keeps on taking up more trouble, because we want all the troubles to be done as quickly as possible, constantly upgrading or downloading more and more. So it looks like those who are on the spiritual path seem to be, in terms of life situations, they're a little more tortured than others. But it's okay, as long as you're suffering, load is not a problem. Load is not a problem. Everybody goes to the gymnasium and does this. They're carrying loads because they think their body will improve with that. So load will only strengthen you unless you suffer the load. If you're suffering the load, then it's a problem. The problem is not with the load, the problem is that you are a suffering creature. If you are not suffering, what is the problem with the load? You will become very strong. There is a beautiful parable in the yogic culture. That is, it once happened, one young man took his cattle herd for grazing in the forest, which was normal part of life here because this is a pastoral culture. Largely, the wealth in this country was not land, was always animals, cattle. How many cattle do you have? That's your wealth. So, he took his herd to the forest. There, for the first time, he actually witnessed a cow delivering a calf. This is a tender moment. If you see how it happens, then you are, it's a wonder of the wonders that a new life just falls out like that. And the tiny little thing on fragile legs like that. He felt so touched by this. He picked up the calf, put it on his shoulder and walked back home. He got so immensely involved with this little calf. Every day he carries it to the forest, grazing and again bringing back on his shoulders. 8 years passed away. He was still carrying. By then, his reputation had spread across the whole region. He's a superman, he carries a full-grown bull on his shoulders and walks. Because the calf puts on weight slowly just like you. No, you're all good. He never realized, out of his love, he just carried this calf every day. Every day it puts on a few grams. After 8 years, he's become a full-grown bull, but he carries and walks. So his reputation spread right across the region as a superman who can carry a bull and walk. So this is what load does to you, that it will make you so strong, you can't imagine. But if you suffer the load, why should I carry this damn thing? Then it's a big problem. So one who is on the spiritual path is always seeing how to download new software and deal with it, not postpone it for tomorrow, not postpone it for another time. We want to deal with it now. Everything that's there in this, all the stuff, whatever, good, bad, ugly. I want to handle it now, not tomorrow. Are you okay? Everything. Good things, bad things, ugly things, nonsense, whatever it is, we want to deal with it now. We want tomorrow like that. We don't mind today working our life out because we want to be done with everything, and if we sit tomorrow, we must sit like we are the beginning of creation. The beginning of creation, everything was still. Like that, you must be able to sit.